No jumping ha because your tummy is full.
Yeah.
Just stay here lang. Stay.
Yeah, wait, Mama.
Yeah, we will read that book.
Put down the big book and I will not take it and then I will take the break it down, Nana.
Yes, my love, correct.
Mama, and so I will take down the and Mama also the no dumping and chocolate the Mama and the Awa.
Yes, that's right.
Mama, come here, Mama.
Wait lang. I love you.
Mama, let's go sit down and take a boat and I would know them. Let's put them, Mama.
You turn off the light, Spidey. Good night, little Spidey. We will arrange the pillows first.
Mama, I will wear this thing. Let's put on.
Okay.
Mama.
Yeah. We will arrange the pillows.
Mama, I love you.
I love you too. I love you very much. Oy, I love you.
I like you. Spider-Man, Mama. I like you. Because it's Spider-Man.
Because you are the little Spidey and I am the mama Spidey. I will wear the Spider-Man mask. Wait for a while.
Night, Mama, please.
I-abri na lang siya ng mga bintana.
Hello, Mama.
Hello.
Where's your little Spidey, Mama?
Go there. Go there. I am the mama Spidey
I am the Spidey.
and we are the
Mama, you're the Spidey.
Mama and Kael Spidey. Who are you?
The Spidey.
Give me your webs, Kael. Your webs. Spidey webs. Spidey webs. Spidey webs. Okay, where is my mosquito?
Mama. Mama, are you a Spidey?
Yes, I am your mama Spidey.
Hello, Mama Spidey. I love you, Mama Spidey.
I love you too, baby Spidey. Hello. Ma, I love you.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Okay.
Yay! Oh, we forgot to turn on the aircon. It's very hot.
Mama, I want to help you bring on the aircon, Mama.
Yes, please.
And us,
No.
here we go.
Okay, that's enough.
For Mama, it's for
Yeah, that's full already. Dali na.
so much, Mama.
Right, my back?
Yeah, much, Mama.
Of course.
I like that you yes, Mama.
Yes, I am the Mama Gray Spidey. And you are?
More and that. toilet, Mama.
Huh?
Let's toilet.
Yes, tulog na.
Mama, let's sit and toilet and relax, Mama. And let's read a book, Mama.
Okay, let's read the book.
Let's read a book and sit down, Mama. And sit down and then you sit down and Mama you.
Yeah, right.
Oh, the bird is the bird. Oh, the bird. Oh,
The back is kamot.
yes, that's what you get it.
Yeah, right. The hand of Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Okay, go up na.
Mama,
Go in
can
the-
I love you, Mama?
Of course, I will love you. Love you and I love you forever.
Mama, how much outside you? Look inside, Mama.
Yeah, tomorrow we will put that.
Mama, I like to put outside, Mama.
Okay.
Please, Mama, I like to put outside.
Because Nana is praying there, huh? Don't go out yet. Because Nana is praying the lamok and it's very.
Mama, I like to put it outside, please, Mama.
Go. Okay.
Mama, let me relax and sit down and read a book, Mama. Mama, I put it down, Mama. I put it down.
Okay.
Mama, look, look.
Yay! That's what you call maze. It's a road. Sige na, sit down.
It's a load, Mama. It's a load.
Yeah. The kittens wake up.
Mama, oh, look. Outside, Mama. The outside is sunny day.
Yes, it's the door.
Look, it's
What a lovely day.
this is outside is sunny day and this is night time, Mama.
You're right. So tonight is sleep time.
Yeah.
Can you sit down, baby? I will read.
Mama, this Mama is outside is sunny day. Mama, look, look.
Yay! That's what you call maze. It's a road. Sige na, sit down.
It's a load, Mama. It's a load.
Yeah. The kittens wake up.
Mama, oh, look. Outside, Mama. The outside is sunny day.
Yes, it's the door.
Look, it's
What a lovely day.
this is outside is sunny day and this is night time, Mama.
You're right. So tonight is sleep time.
Yeah.
Can you sit down, baby? I will read.
Mama, this Mama is outside is sunny day.
Yeah, can you sit down?
Yeah. But animals weather outside. The cat is sunny day now.
Yeah, right.
The orange cat is right out because it's sunny day outside. The cat we can go outside because it's sunny day. Yes, it's your mama. Yes, it's your mama.
Yes, this is what you call the hay.
Yeah.
Hay.
And it's your
Where the chickens lay their eggs.
yeah.
Here. The chickens lay their eggs here like this. Oh, do you see that?
Yeah, yes, yeah.
And you see that all? Here. The chickens lay their eggs here like this. Oh, do you see that? And you see that all?
In the basket, and to the egg, Mama.
Yes, that's right. Like Lulu Bobby has many chickens in the salad. Yeah. Did
I
you
like it.
you like it?
Yeah.
Did you ask Lulu to have a chicken?
Yeah.
Then what did you say to Lulu?
Thank you. And I bring the chicken into the house of Philha.
Davao. Here, what is this house? Davao house. And you see that all?
Chicken in the basket, and to the egg, Mama.
Yes, that's right. Like Lulu Bobby has many chickens in the salad.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you? Then what did you say to Lulu?
Thank you. And I bring the chicken into the house of Philha.
Davao. Here, what is this house? Davao house.
Double house.
You asked that to Lulu?
Yeah.
Then what did that Lulu said?
You need to drink up. I get the chicken and I go home to the house that Lola said.
Okay. Tarang kita. Oh, what if that Spidey? You down your pajamas, you will not be cold. Okay, just like Mama.
Wow.
I'm a gray Spidey.
Wow.
And you are the red and blue Spidey.
Wow, I like it that red and more spicy like the mama did.
Okay. Okay, we start reading now.
This is red, Mama.
Yeah, it's red.
This is red, this one,
Yes, that's correct. Can I start reading now?
Yes.
Can you listen?
Yeah, I want to say red,
Do you listen? Kitten wakes up. A lovely day.
Mama, the chicken is red. You can take it right up like it. With that chicken.
When you wake up like this, good morning.
Good morning, Mama.
Like that.
It's the morning set, Ma.
Yes.
This is set, Mama. This is the other, and this is the other, and this is Mama set.
And she stretches her foot. And she's ready to play.
Mama, there's no more cats anymore.
There's no more cat. How many cats do you see?
It's for a dear Mama.
It's for only.
Yeah, because the five that it ran away.
Oh, running away. And then trace the line over the hay to the door. Can you trace the line?
Yeah.
Hey, to the door. Can you trace the line?
Yeah.
Hey, I will record our. I will record it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh, Mama. I will have you.
Thank you, Kael. We help you, but we are. Okay, like this. Come closer.
Okay. Mama and Nana, this and Mama and Nana Yeah.
And we go to sleep after reading the book, right?
Yeah. One book said na lahat and sa other paper.
Yes, one book only, huh?
Yeah.
And then, okay, like this. Okay, this is right. Okay. Come closer.
Okay. Mama and Nanay of singing this and Mama and Nanay of singing this today and Tata Papa button Maya button ito and Mama also.
But we read this one first because it's nighttime and it's bedtime.
Yeah.
And we go to sleep after reading the book, right?
Yeah. One book said na lahat and sa other paper.
Yes, one book only, huh?
Yeah.
And then, yes. Can you trace the line over to the door?
Yeah.
That's very good, look. Kael traces this line. And can you count all the kittens here? How many? Four kittens. And Kael is right. It's four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. How about the mama chicken here? How many? Again, can you count the mama chicken? One and very good. There's 2 mama chicken. How about the baby chick? Can you count? There more? There's more? Where? How about this? Parang makount. 1, 2. Very good. How many baby chicks? 7. And Kael is right. It's 7. Can you sit down here? How about eggs? Do you see eggs? Can you count all the eggs? Very good. How many eggs? 2 eggs. That's correct. 1 and 2. How about the sheep? How many sheep? Very good. There's 2 sheep. 1 and 2. Good job, Knock Knock. Can you come closer? First, when you count Kael, just count lang. Like, no balik-balik. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's 8 only. Okay. No! Balik-balik. Like this too. Count lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many sheep? How many sheep? There's 8. Very good. There's 8 sheep sleeping here. How about the cat? Can you trace the line from here up to the house? To the barn. Very good. And oopsie, Can you do a ladybug?
Yeah.
How many ladybugs? Okay. How many? Can you count? Count. Louder your voice and counting. One, counting. Okay. Counting.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. How many ladybugs?
4.
4. Good job. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oopsie. Do you see a tractor?
Yeah.
Where's the tractor? Yeah. And how many tractors?
1.
One only. How about the barn? Very good. One barn only. How about the worm? One worm. Yay, good job.
What is that color, Mama?
The color of the worm is brown.
No, it's pink, Mama.
Huh? Pink?
Yeah.
It's not pink, it's brown. Next, Ethan calls on her feathery friend.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you trace from here to the pond? Go. Again. Start. Go. Yay! How many frogs do you see? And there are 3 frogs. Very good. High five, Mama.
There are 2 parts, Mama.
Yeah, there are 3 frogs. How about the blue butterfly?
Do you see the more butterfly, Mama?
Oh, sorry. I think it's not a butterfly. It's a bee. It's a blue bee.
Yeah.
Can you count? Or is it safe to call it a fly?
Yeah.
Okay, we call it a fly. It's a blue fly. Can you count?
More butterfly!
Blue fly lang, blue fly.
More fly!
Yeah, blue fly. Can you count? There's more? Do you see more?
Yeah.
Very good, 4 blue flies. How about ducks? Do you see ducks? Again. Sit on. Sit on. How many? No, don't balik. No, just the mama duck. Very good. There are. Yeah, how many baby ducks? No. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mama.
Yes. Wow.
And yes.
Yes, you traced.
Ah.